Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can connect to a device on Spotify. It used to be like here. Oops, I meant to shut it down. In settings and privacy, it used to be in the devices section, but as you can see, it's not. Well, it is in apps and devices, but you can't really connect to other devices here. You're just going to see that there's a jams tab here, so I'm just going to open up a song, and then here I'm going to select, where is the jam section? Oh, here it is. It's like underneath the like shuffle button, and you're going to select start a jam. It's going to find another device. Make sure they have opened Spotify too. If that doesn't work, make sure that person or that device opens up settings, go to Spotify, and make sure they have local network enabled. Then here you can select another device and you can start a jam with them, and basically they can add music to the like jam, I guess. It's very helpful if you guys are like on a road trip and whatnot, and you guys are like on the way to a place. I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but you're just going to connect your devices with theirs, and then they can put songs in your playlist so you guys can like have different songs playing from your playlist, I guess. So that's what I did last time I had like kind of like a road trip. I started a jam here. Once you've connected it, you're just going to select start. I don't have anyone here. You can also invite them if you can't find the people nearby. You can share a link, or they can like scan the QR code. Why can I not talk? Once you're done, just press the end button. That is how you can connect to other devices on Spotify. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.